Here we just want to know the value of y. Simple enough. All right, we'll take a look at the statements. Now the first one, clearly we can find the value of x, divide both sides by 5, and we have the value of x. Obviously not sufficient to find the value of y, so 1, can't say that's sufficient, therefore can't say that each statement is sufficient. So A and B are out. Okay, statement 2. Forget we saw statement 1 for a moment. We're given an equation here. And you kind of look at that, you got to forget we saw statement 1, so we don't know the value of x yet. You say, well, one statement, two variables, two unknowns. If you have one equation with two unknowns, you can't find the value of each unknown. So statement 2, not sufficient. All right, so B is out. Question, if we take them together, can we solve? And the answer is yes. If I just plug in x over here, so 5y plus y equals 18, 6y equals 18. Divide both sides by 6. We have y equals 3. But the real important thing to remember is I just did this as an exercise. As soon as we saw that we had one equation with two unknowns, but we knew that we could then plug in x, combine the terms and combine the statements and plug in for x, then we have one equation with only one unknown. Then if you knew the value of x, you would find the value of y. So in combination, answer C, sufficient. But just want to make that point. You don't need to do the math that we just did here. I just did it as an exercise. Once you see statement 2, you know it's not sufficient, but then once you combine it with statement 1, with the value of x, we know that in combination they are sufficient. Answer C. We have lots more explanations of math questions on Practice Test 2, Practice Test 1. If you want to check them out, go to our YouTube channel, click on the column in the middle that says Playlists. It's all free. Going forward, we'll post a bunch of free lessons on math questions from the GMAT Official Guide 2020 and beyond. So be sure to subscribe, click the like button if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends who are taking the GMAT. We'll see you in the next video.